This is Fahim. I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress in one click. WordPress in your local host, and also I will show you how to install WordPress in 1 second, in online. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to install a WordPress development software where we are installing the WordPress, and we are working there. So we need to go the localwp.com, then download it. And yeah, this is my Mac Apple Silicon. If you are using Windows, you can select the Windows. If you are in Linux, you can choose the RPM based or Debian based, such as Ubuntu. So if you're most of we are using the Windows, and yeah, I'm also using a Windows PC. And yeah, currently I'm in Mac Apple Silicon, so I select it here. And after fill up this, you will see this, and yeah, and click on the get it now. After that, you just install the local WP on your application folder. As you can see, there is a local.app, local app, and here is my local app. And what you need to do, click on the plus icon, add local site, click on the continue, and name it on your site. Like this is Fahim, and yeah, and your site domain look like this, and it will hosted here the local sites Fahim. And here it is. See, here is my the existing that I installed. Okay, so ignore this part, and yeah, click on the continue. And yeah, as you can see, this is the PHP 8.1.23 which I'm using, and you can change whatever you want. Like you click on the custom, you can select the PHP 7.3.5 to PHP 8.2.10. So yeah, and here you can currently I'm using Nginx, and you can install the Apache server. And yeah, here is the MySQL 8. Yeah, and you can use the older version. It's your needs, but I think we don't need anything. Just click on the preferred and click on the continue. And here is the another advanced options. If you want to install the multi-site, that's it. There's the another part which no need for this. We don't need to select anything. Just we just select the username demo and password is demo, and you can change the email address or anything, is your matter. So I'm going to click on the add site button, and it will installing. And yeah, your password. See, the WordPress is installed here. So what you need to do, I mean, what I am doing this after installing, click here. So if I click on the WP admin, it is automatically logged in, so I don't need the input the username and password. So this is our WordPress, and yeah, this is the home, and this is the updates. If you in your site, if you get any theme or plugins needs updates here, you can click on the updates, and it will show here that you need to update here, update the theme, update the plugins, anything. So, and this is the post. In the post section, you will, or in the all post, you will show here the all post, like what you publish here. And in the add new button, we can yeah, in this section we'll um, how to post here. And this is the categories. Like the categories, how this is the lifestyle code. If you want to share some codes, recipe, sorry. And yeah, and anything, sports, if you are a sports freaks, and travel if you like. So this is my um, the categories. And here's the tags, like tags in you already search on the Google, what is WordPress tags, and you will get the WordPress tags is one of the tools that you can use to group your post based on your similar details. Like if I publish some post with Ubuntu base, so if I tag this, so when I click on the Ubuntu tags, all the Ubuntu based post on the uh, it will print on the front end. So this is our post part, and here is the media part. Media part means your images or WordPress supported files. Like if I search on the Google WordPress supported media files, so you will see the images. If the images JPEG, PNG, GIF, ICO, and WP, WebP, and you will see the list here, and you will understand that which file you can upload here. Yeah, sometimes like SVG, if you want to upload the SVG icon, you can't. So you have to add some custom code to, or the custom plugin to upload the SVG file, as far as no. Okay, then we have the pages. So pages like the home page, about us, contact, or anything, any type of pages. Pages means not the post and pages totally different. And yeah, and here is the pages, the all pages, and the add new. And after the section is comments. So if when someone post on your comments on your post, see there is a comments in this hello all post. So you will see the all of the comments here. You can delete, edit, or anything you can form here. Next part is appearance. Appearance is the most important thing part of your WordPress site, but it's you can use it very often, not regularly. So when you install a theme, or you can choose any theme from here, and you can, if you click on the add new, you can yeah, see you will get the all of the theme here, and you will see the list of the themes that our WordPress org repository. So as most of the are using the Astra, and second position is the 2023 right now. And then the hello elementor, if you are using a page builder. But if you are not using the page builder, so you don't need it. Yeah, on the you can 2023, and upcoming is 2024. So check it out in the and then we can install the Astra theme. Click on the install button, and after install we can select on click on the active button. in here. And yeah, see the active button. Our Asta theme is activated. See, if you want to activate the 2021, click on the active and it will activate. And the next part is in here, the customize. As you can see, the customize, click on the customize and see the theme options here. Global, header builder, so you can build your header from here, and broadcom, blog. In the blog section you will see the blog archive, single post, and pages. I mean, you can design your page how it will look like this. And the sidebar, yeah, on the post, yeah, sidebar, you will see it here. And the footer builder, see, you can build your footer. I mean, how it looks with the Astra theme. Okay, this is what we see the with the customize. And then the widgets mean in your sidebar or anywhere you can add your, I mean, the custom design in here with the widgets. So we can learn it later, I mean, how it will. And the menus, this is the menu is the most important part of your theme. So as you can see, this is the menu part, this is the logo part, and you can add the home page, about us, contact in here, and you will show the menu items here. And then there is a theme file editor. If you are well in the WordPress code, if you want to change something, you can change, add, or here. But in my suggestion, um, you can add or anything, you can customize or add the custom code here. But this is not the ideal yeah ideal way to add your custom code. So I would highly suggest install the theme, child theme. Like there we are using Asta theme, so we can use Asta child theme. So after search on the Google, we can search it, that Asta child theme, and we'll see the Asta child theme generator, and you can generate your own child theme here and install it. Then the theme editor, in here you can edit your things on the child theme. And here you will see and if you search here the child theme, like in the docs knowledge base, child theme, what is child theme and how to install it for Asta. So as you can see, you will get the full details here. So we can check it later. Then the plugins, this is the most important part, this is the heart of the WordPress, where you are installing the plugins. If you need, actually it's totally up to you. You can definitely you have to install a single plugin on your site, because most after set up a site, design the pages, and input the post, publish the post, we have to SEO it, or we can optimize it. So for optimize, we can install a caching plugin. For SEO related, we need to install the SEO plugin. So you have to install a plugin here. And and after design after installing the WordPress, for the design the whole site, we can use any blog builder based plugins, such as Spectra, and there are some plugins you will see, and you can, yeah, after click on the add new, so you can take it here, block builder. See, there is a few plugins that Spectra, and which is 5. Oh my goodness, the active install is seriously yeah, it's a very good, yeah, you don't need anything if you install the Spectra plugin. So yeah, this is how you can install the Spectra. Go to the click on the install now button and then activate it. Then yeah, there is again the plugin file editor. Sometimes you need to edit something. I mean, this is rare, very rare case in appearance theme file editor and the plugin file editor. This is rare, and most of the users who is very advanced, they disable it with a code that they don't need to show it here. That is different case. Okay, then go to the users. So here we can add the user, for any reason. I mean, if you, and in the role you can see the subscribe role, contributor, author, editor, and the administrator. So if you select the administrator and create a username and generate a password, or you can yeah, you can uh, you can set a password, and I mean the your custom password you can set it here, and click on the add new, and you will send it to the user. That, yeah, and also you can create a registration form or anything in the site front end, and create the user for, and in your profile, see the profile options. This is your profile, this is your profile, and from here you can set your new password here. Yeah, and you can change the name, change the site language for the specific, yeah, and you can see there's few the color scheme, you can change it. So I'm always using the default, and I like it. And kudos to the WordPress designer, who is design it, and yeah, big salute to him or her, and whoever works on it. And I love it contribution. And if you check my WordPress profile, as you can see, I'm also contributing the sections, and yeah, still I love to contribute. Then go to the tools, the tools section. Here is nothing available tools, nothing, and there is the import. In the import you can import from the, if you have the blogger site, you can import from here, and category and the tag converter, live journal, and you already understand that, oh, what is this. And if you have another WordPress site and you want to import the other WordPress site contents, you can import from here and export. This is what I talking about this. If you import from other side, so from that side you have to export it first, then you can import. So egg ahead or chicken ahead, which one? Then site health, the site health, you will see, I mean, the site report, you will get the site report. I mean, how, I mean, the site PHP or anything the server related. So if you got something wrong on your site, and asking on the WordPress forums, and if they ask, you can click on this copy site info, and if you can paste it here. See, the information is you are using the WordPress, the version 6.3.1, site language en us, I mean English US version, and the time zone. Yeah, you can change and permalinks, and anything, everything is here, and your site or anything you will see it here. So this is the site health part, and yeah, that is no, I mean this is no need for that. And go to the settings. In the settings general tab, you can set your site title for the SEO. They will suggest, I mean, check your site title and set it very, I mean, the user SEO friendly, and set a site tagline like I am a WordPress developer. Like, I mean, this is the site slogan or tagline, and this is our site address bar. And make sure, if you hosted on the site in the hosting area, so you can set always the HTTPS, not HTTP. You will face so many issues if you set the HTTP instead of the HTTPS. So make sure, this is my local host, so I don't need the HTTPS. Yeah, I can set up the HTTPS here. Yeah, from here, but it's not mandatory to using the SSL, the local host. That's why, yeah. And you can change the ad- administrator email address here. So this is how, and this is how it works. And have a nice day.